Okay, so we're going back on the last problem, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to bring the 32 over, and we're going to check this by a different method. We're not going to graph it this time, but we are going to check it, and we'd like to factor this. So we are kind of focusing in on the 56, and we're saying, 56, well, let's think. Factors of 56 that add up. Now, sometimes I'd involve the number out in front here, but it's just a 1, so I don't really need to do that. I'm just really thinking about 56, and I'm thinking 56 has factors. Well, 1 and 56 are factors, and 2 and 28 are factors, and 3 doesn't go into 56, because 5 plus 6 is 11, and 3 doesn't go into 11. 4, does 4 go into 56? Well, yes, I think 4 does go into. Let's see how much. That'd be 14. One of the things I'm checking here is to see when I add these together, I get 57, and I get 30, and I get 18, and I'm supposed to be getting 15, so I'm not there yet. Let's see, and then 5 doesn't go into 56. And 6 doesn't go in. If 3 didn't go in, 6 isn't going to go in. And then 7 and 8. And by the way, 7 and 8 are right in the middle. So if it's not 7 and 8, I have a problem that I'd have to solve with. I guess I'd have to use the quadratic formula again or something like that. Or I could complete the square. I guess I could do that. But it turns out I don't have to because this works for me. 7 and 8 do make 15. And so I can rewrite this. Or, do I need to rewrite it? I don't think I need to rewrite it. I think I can just say, sorry. Let me rewrite it. If you want to do it that way, you can. You can say plus 7x plus 8x plus 56. And we rewrite the 15. Oh, that's a z, isn't it? And I'm using x. I apologize. It's supposed to be z. So you can see that the 7z and the 8z are the same thing as 15z. I just rewrote it. But I don't think we have to do this is what I call the ACB method. And then we could factor out an 8 from these two here at the end. And we'd factor a z out of these two at the beginning. I guess since I've already done it this far, I might as well go ahead and do it. But I think we could have done this without the ACB method. But we factored it. And if I FOIL that out, if I multiply these binomials together, I will get the same thing. And if I set this equal to 0, then the solutions for this, you can see what makes this one 0. Well, z is equal to -8. That makes that 0. And what makes this one 0? Well, z is equal to -7. Okay, so were those the same things I got last time? Can't box anything neatly here, apparently. Yes, those were the same things I got last time. I'll go up and look. -8, -7. Sure, that's what I got. -8 and -7 by the quadratic formula. Same thing. And I plotted them on the beautiful graph that I drew there. There they are. So we checked our work, and it checks out. That's good. We could have completed the square, but this was pretty easy to factor without doing all that.